Today we'll be cooking a grilled barbecue center cut pork steak and we'll be serving that with a Lamb Weston fry and coleslaw. Soften up the meat. You don't want it to be too soft like pot roast, but I do want to be able to finish it on the grill and not have somebody have to chew on it. So I'll put these in the oven for about an hour and a half at 250. Heating it up at this point for service and making it look presentable. So I'm going to take a little bit of barbecue sauce. I'm going to brush with a little barbecue seasoning right on the grill. I'm going to do about 5 minutes each side just to get it hot in the middle. And there you have it, folks, a grilled barbecue center cut pork steak with French fries and coleslaw, featuring item number 73808, 12-ounce center cut pork steak from Kern Meat. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.